So, second video, Matt Doctor here for iGeekPhone.com. Again from SwitchBot. I have already shown you the other automatization gadgets that they have and they send me in order to review them and show you for the switches, thermometer and so on. So, curtains. Why not to have something automated in order to open and close the curtains? It has two types. It's not only this, it has two types. One is for this kind of rod, and and the other type for the railway rods. In my house I have this kind of rods, so I told them to send me this type too. And with them it goes this solar panel, which you can place them at the side of this gadget and take energy from there and work without any problem continuously. So we're going to open up and see what's inside it and place them on my curtains. So let's take the one and open it and see what's inside it. So here we have a user manual. This thing. The device for the curtains, for the rod. This one. These things, we're going to see with the manual what these are. And these things in order to it's type C, I see, good. And these things for charging it, and this one is for what I'm going to see. So according to the company, it needs about 30 seconds to set it up and put it on the curtains, on the rod for the curtains. So I'm going to have a look up at the manual and see how we're going to connect it. And at the side I have seen that they place the solar panel in order to give power at the device. Manual, it looks like a mobile here. So we stick it up here at the back. Like that, and it gives energy forever through the sun. Like that. Really very handy, really very clever. So, I'm going to take it off now. So I'm gonna have a look at the manual and see how I'm going to connect it to my rod for the curtains. Now this is how it must be set, the solar panel with the jack here connected, everything. We place by pressing this, let's place it here. By pressing this it goes up and down. Here you can connect a cable in order to charge it. And this is placed between the first and the second rod of the curtain. Now the plastic things that I showed you, this one, are for curtains that doesn't have round harded rods like these. So mine is going to be much more easier. So I'm going to place it and see how it works. Now as you can see here is already registered, the SwitchBot for the curtains. You can see it here. By pressing you can see these quick options, let's say them, and by pressing more you have more options to see and set. The device is already set at the curtain with the solar panel at the back, as I showed you before. Now the area that is connected on the rod must be very, very firmly closed in order to work okay. So we're going to make it move. So we press and you see it starts moving. We press pause and it stopped. Let's take it back. You see it's ready. Now you can set two of them for this kind of curtain to be set in the middle, for example, and close open the curtains automatically. From the app you can use the light sensing, so when there is light to close or open the curtains. You can set a delay here, schedule when to open or close. I haven't set any timer. And motion mode, it has two motion mode, silent mode and performance mode. Performance mode is a little bit stronger. Now very good, very easy to set, very easy to use if you want to automate the movement and the whole curtain thing. Very good to use. Thank you, SwitchBot. We proceed.